Kipulet ke East Khasi Hills District kila yo ban kem ya saungot kinong tu bakan thop yo nongnya ban nongbut truck ha ka jing persang jongki ban syukor bat ban dia tu ya kinarot pasong dor hadu shipau lak tingka. Kini ki saungot kidi bel ithu kerteng komu deibor mi mukim saupos nam Robert Sadap Arpusans nam ubabyang bor melim laipupras nam bat shop star well jana laipusans nam. Kat kum ke Kyrwoh balapa na ka office u Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills District laong bahaga khandai tri unai lar arja arpusau kipulet kilayo pediang ya ke ejahar na debor mi mukim ba Robert Sadap bapentip bahaga pratri unai lar kat baga trok jongki ka badon yo registration number NL not WK Riu not Sunway kabakit narot kadang yang hamauring keneng bypass saungot kibrio kibara Tari kilawan rung jubor hapo katrok hakapor khandai duna AA bat kilapatan jubor yaki hakawai all to 800 kabamdan satya number plate laong bakini ki arngot kila pentip badan ru sawi nongnya jongkawai katrok kabadon yo registration number ML not Santi Lai Pra San Pra hakani ka kali yo bala sya set lang boro shimit bat la pelat tat hadu ka step khandai tarik nailar arja arpusau hapen ursla ka Kyrwoh kala ongru bahaga jing toket kipulet kila lapan ban bau debor mi mukim bat Robert Sadam kila soboi lupa ban penhiar ya kita kinarot hapomura bat hadian kani kila penkit pat hakawai katrok badan yo registration number ML not Santi Lai Pra San Pra kipulet kila perlongai ke jing toket ke babnya bat kila lap no ya kini kinarot nakasnong lat kerhong bat jongsha bat unarot balyo kurup udan kumba khat pra pon santon ubasong dor hapdeng khandai pon san lak hadu shipau lak tingka Nalor kini kipulet kila lap not ru ya katrok NL not UAK Riu not Sunway kat arsaka bala pentip bakala ja nakasnong Mukla West Jante Hills District kat ba katrok ML not Santi Lai Pra San Pra kabala penan kaman le kini ka kambamman layo ban kurup nah nyomer banyun Upper Shillong Halor kene ke jingja kipulet kila register case hamauring keneng police station hapo ka kendon lai spa khandai in bracket sau/sispa lai pinyo in bracket r jong ka BNS bat ka jing toket karang ya chakmat.
On 9 August, a written FIR was received from the Bormi Mukim and Sri Robert Sadap to the effect that on 8 August, while their vehicle bearing registration NL01K 6051 loaded with TMT bars was parked at Morkneng bypass. 4 unknown person armed with knife and came to their vehicle and dragged them out. That it has happened about 8:50 p.m. Dragged them forcefully them inside one Alto vehicle which does not have any registration number. Both persons, along with another driver of a truck bearing registration ML05T3A58, were detained the whole night and they were only released in the morning the next day, that is on the 9th August at Penursla area. Thereby, they reported to OC Penursla, and since the incident is happened in Morkneng, they were directed to appear before OC Morkneng. On receipt of the information, the OC of Morkneng has endorsed the case to his officers. Investigation was initiated. However, during the course of investigation, it was found that Sri Debormi Mukim and Sri Robert Sadap had pre-arranged to unload the consignments at Pomura, and thereafter loaded the materials into another truck bearing registration ML05T3A58. The stolen consignments were recovered from Lai Kerhong and Jongsha village, and a total number of seized recovered TMT bars is about 18.5 tons, amounting to 9.5 or 10 lakhs. Furthermore, the truck bearing registration NL01K6051, which was reported missing, was recovered from Mukla village under West Jante Hills, and the truck bearing registration ML05T3858, which was utilized for the commission of crime, was seized from 7 Mile Banyun, Upper Shillong. Accordingly, in this connection, a criminal case under Morkneng PS was registered, and all the 4 persons was arrested yesterday. They were produced in the court, and right now they have been remanded to judicial custody. The investigation of the case is in progress to ascertain the facts and circumstances. Yeah,
Pre-planned.
absolutely, it's true. It's pre-planned by this Mr. Debormi Mukim and Robert Shadat. It's a pre-plan.
So police could map all the culprits involved in that, or some more arrests likely to happen?
No, as of now, as per the statements of the accused, only 4 of them. Only 4 of them, so all of them were arrested.
So you said it's 9 to 10 lakh, right?
Yeah, yes. That is as per the market value.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam mangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.